Kaboom, kaboom. Those are the rhythms of the Water Pro Max. Yes, as we're counting down in 1 hour time, we are going to be converging in Ontario, Canada, where everyone will be coming in from every corner of Canada, Quebec, Toronto, and all what have you, to come because the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile is arriving right in Canada today. I'm about to have a good news for you, because gone are the days when we always run into shelters and hide ourselves because Nigeria's terrorist army are coming. They are everywhere. They are ransacking. They are bombarding. They are shooting. But right now, our armies are well equipped, armed to the teeth, ready to confront the opposing forces, the armies of the Janjaweed terrorists. And the neighborhood of Lilu, they heard this sound that is chasing them away from the territories of the heavenly people of Biafra, and they said it was sounding kaboom, kaboom. Now our Prime Minister have something to say about these new happenings in Biafra land, and we are taking over our space. The land belongs to us. The people of God have woken up. Gone are the days of fear. Gone are the days of torment. Gone are the days of terror. Gone are the days of nightmare. Airborne to the Biafra Liberation Army, airborne to the Biafra Defense Forces, airborne to the Biafran Marine, airborne to the Ogbunigwe squad. Kaboom, kaboom. And if you are enjoying it and you love it, please do not hesitate and do not forget to join us this evening. In the next 1 hour, we are going to be converging in Ontario, Canada. Kaboom, kaboom. My name is Raphael Chabaka Jerry, aka Pastor Vam Vam Vam. I will love it the way it's happening, because we used to be the ones at the receiving end, but now we are the ones at the celebration end. Hey, oh neme, ihena di ekwomume. Yes sir. Oh neme, ihena di ekwomume. Oh me, oh neme, ihena di ekwomume. Ihena di ekwomume. Ihena di ekwomume. Koneme. Kaboom! Kaboom! Enjoy the video and hear the voice of our Prime Minister when he was reporting these happenings. And I'm telling you, it brings joy to our hearts that we are ready and we are formidable and we are warding and waging them off. We are no longer hiding. We are no longer falling. The enemies are the ones falling. Airborne from Pastor Vam Vam Vam. Please make sure you subscribe to these our channels and make sure you share. Who is anyone that is still watching that is yet to subscribe to our Facebook? The Facebook is Ikonso Will Never Be Forgotten. If you are yet to subscribe to Facebook, please make sure you subscribe to our Facebook. Or most of the videos here we also post on Ikonso Will Never Be Forgotten. And the good thing about that page is that it is dedicated to Ikonso, in memory of Ikonso. Please subscribe to that Facebook page. Ikonso Will Never Be Forgotten. Thank you very much and remain blessed. See you on the other side. Kaboom, kaboom. PM. Oya, we're on the Onye Nche Biafra. Oh, Bato Bie. Oya, let's hear you, sir. All right, mouthpiece, please grab the mic.
Your Excellency, given the magnitude of the victory of our BLA using the dreaded Ogbunigwe, and given the fact that Nigerian army are so quiet today, does it mean then that they are getting the language you are speaking?
They are hearing the language, but they cannot understand it. And as I'm talking to you now, they are crying. They are crying like babies. We have one after they go to the bromance. You want another book, kaboom, 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 kaboom.
I think I was hearing it from afar. It was sounding like unudum, unudum.
Put a call to people in Lille and ask them, can you go say that today? You want that book, kaboom, 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 kaboom.
Oh my goodness. I cannot wait for December 2nd, I tell you. Thank you so much, Your Excellency.
Mazin Nabikano once prophesied. He said, if you don't have bicycle, go and get one now. He said, because the time is coming where you will need it. He don't read, oh, mama, he don't read, oh, he don't set, oh, mama, he don't set, oh, God, he don't finally bust. The prophecy of great prophet Mazin Nabikano don't finally come to pass again. Mazin Nabikano once prophesied. He said, if you don't have bicycle, go and get one now. He said, because the time is coming where you will need it. And when your bicycle will be very, very be useful, helpful, and mobilitable for you. Now we are now in the era. You see the way the person tell you, say, Mazin Nabikano is the one and only prophet of our time. You see the way. Because I'm too much. Because the man don't get church. Because the man don't say, Hayaka go go yakata yakata. The man don't say robo robo robo. Harabara timaya timaya. Maleko maleko. Televi. Bolak pekos. The man don't talk all these things. That is the reason why you know recognize Mazin Nabikano as a prophet. Mazin Nabikano once said, a time is coming when the bill say you want to buy wheelbarrow, you go need to use pickup, take carry money go. We are now in the era. Now there we there right now. All what Mazin Nabikano prophesy, all of them don't come to pass. Like play. That is the reason why every man and every woman must recognize that man as the greatest prophet of our time. No prophet will ever create rich man Mazin Nabikano for this life. But we are the cause of our own problem. You when they watch me now you be the cause of your own problem. When Mazin Nabikano they on ground, when they mobilize men, when I see thousands of people, multitude of people, when Mazin Nabikano pull